How are you all? You all enjoyed a homeworkless week, right?
Yeah,
That was fun, right? For a change. Just attending the class, not having the homework. That's okay. I'll give you a test based on what we discussed last week. Rishita, I missed last week, right, Ma?
Yeah, I wasn't here last week.
Yeah, I know. Mm.
What did we learn about last week?
Uh, we learnt about functions, graphs, domain ranges. Good.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing in school, Ritisha?
Um, we finished we just had our test on Tuesday, and it was over transformation equations and parallel and perpendicular lines, and now we're learning about systems of equations.
Nice. Okay, systems of equation was what I had for today. Did you do finish elimination there at school?
I didn't learn about elimination, but we went over the graphing and substitution.
Okay, that's nice. How about last year? Nidhi, Prisha, quick come on.
I'm learning about scatter plots.
We just finished a test over elimination and then like graphing and then substitution.
Oh, elimination as well is done?
Yeah, we like learned all three of them and then we had a test over we had a test and then we had a test
Okay.
yesterday.
Yeah, I definitely want to cover that a little bit more in depth or whatever. Okay. Okay. Nidhi, for you?
We're learning scatter plots.
Scatter plots. Are you doing regression?
Yeah.
Or regression using the calculator?
Yeah.
Okay. How is it coming along?
It's pretty easy.
We also had our test over scatter plots.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So that's something I have not covered for you, Okay. Okay. For me, for now, I'm going to go ahead with if you're given two linear equations, how to find their intersection is what I'm going to do today. Is that okay? No, no, one minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. I'll get right. வாங்கலாமான்னு நினைச்சேன்ப்பா அமேசான் அசிங்கமா இருக்க போதுப்பா. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, guys, let's go ahead with, give me a minute. So let's go ahead with graphing two linear line, graphing two lines first, and then let me go ahead with substitution. I know I switched off my video. Give me a few minutes, okay? Okay, how about this? Suppose if we have two different equations, two line equations like this, right? So let's see this one. I'm sharing my screen. Hey, do you all have your calculators with you guys? Do you all have your calculators with you?
I do.
I don't have my physical one, but I do have Desmos graphing calculator.
Okay, you have this. Okay, graphing. Okay. Rutisha, are you going to buy?
I have one. I think it's outside though.
Okay.
Should I go get it?
No, not now. But at least next week, I want you all to bring whatever physical calculator you have with you to class. Does that sound good?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Suppose if you're given two different equations like this, do you know how to graph this? Jay, this is a question for you. Do you know how to graph this? Do you know how to graph this? Jay, that's a question for you, ma.
Hello,
Please
can you hear
answer.
me?
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot.
You forgot to graph it? Okay. Last year, do you know how to graph it, ma? Vikyat, do you know how to graph it? Last year, Vikyat?
I'm not sure.
Any equation given, you'll know how to graph it, right, guys? Arush, you're not on the video. Arush? Okay. Go ahead. Ritisha, do you know how to graph it, ma?
You can't graph it when it's in standard form, so you have to convert it to slope intercept.
Nice. How to convert it to slope intercept form? You should always put it in the format y equal to, right? Can I say this as x minus 18? Okay, will be equal to 7y. X minus 18 divided by 7 equal to y. Can I do that, guys? Now 1 by 7, x minus 18 by 7 will be equal to y. The slope is 18 by 7 and the slope is 1 by 7 and the y-intercept is minus 18 by 7. Can I have that like that?
Wouldn't it be the x is negative because when you're making it to the other side, you subtract it?
Minus x. So what happens? What do you want to say now? So you subtract minus x on both sides. Minus 7y equal to 18 minus x. And after that, divide by minus 7 across. So that will get you y equal to minus x by 7 minus 18 by 7, which is the same as this one. Can we move on? Okay. Now, how to draw this line quickly, guys? The best way to draw this line is put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 if I put y equal to minus 18 by 7. You just need 2 points, right? It's very easy. Put x equal to 0. Then put y equal to 0. What happens to x? What is x? When you put y equal to 0, what is x, ma? Can I say 18 comma 0? Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, similarly, how will you graph the other one? 4x minus 14y equal to 30, right? How do you graph this? How do you graph it, guys? Avyuk, you tell me what will be the slope intercept form?
So you first subtract the 4x on both sides,
Subtract 4x on both sides.
and then you divide it by negative 14.
Divided by negative 14. So what
Yeah.
happens? Y will be equal to 2 by 7x minus 15 by 7. Make sense? So what are the 2 points? If you want to find 2 points, what are the 2 points? If you want to find 2 points, what are the 2 points? Put x equal to 0. What is that point? Y will be equal to? Put x equal to 0. What will be y, Amma?
0, 15.
0 comma minus 15 by 7.
Oh,
Because if you put
yeah.
x equal to 0, this entire term will become 0, right? Now put y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, what will happen to the x value? If you put y equal to 0, what will happen to the x value? Anybody? Let me see who gets it first.
Is it 0, comma, is it negative 13, comma 0?
Good. Negative 13. Negative 15, right? Negative 15, right?
Wait,
Oh, okay. Negative 13 comma 0. Good job. Negative 13 comma 0. Makes sense. So negative 13 comma 0 is somewhere here, right? Negative 13 comma 0. Somewhere here for that matter. And then 0 comma minus 15 by 7. So it will be something minus 15 by 7. It will be something like this, right? So I will draw the 2 lines. This is this line. The black color line is this line. Right? The red color line is the second line, right? Now, when you're given two equations, right? What is that one point that is present on both the lines? This point, right? Let's call this as x comma y. That is the point of intersection. So that if you're given two linear equations, right, it is called a linear system. Linear system. Two or more linear equations, when they give them together, it's called a linear system. They ask you to solve the linear system. What are they asking? They are asking you to find the x comma y point that occurs on both the line. If there are two lines, there is always only one intersection point, right? Last year, are you present physically here or mentally too? If they ask you to solve for this linear system, you're going to find the x comma y, that is the intersection point of both the lines. Now, this is for graphing these lines. For you to graph it, if it's a part of homework, I would like you to buy this checked index cards. It's available at Walmart or Staples. It's very nice. If you use these index cards, it's very easy for you to draw graphs. If I draw it in here, it's very difficult to find the intersection points.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma'am.
I don't have the index cards, but I have like the graph paper.
Graph paper is more than enough. Both are one and
Okay.
the same, right?
Yeah. We have like the whole sheets. My sister
Yeah.
used it when she was
More
in
than graph sheets are very better than index
Yeah.
cards. Okay. So that is how I want you to graph and find the points of intersection. Now, let's say, guys, these two lines meet at a point. So, how many solutions do they have? When I give you these two equations, how many solutions do they have? Solutions are the number of intersection points. So, how many solutions do they have? One. Good job. So, there is only one solution for lines that meet at a point. Good job. Suppose if I give you two equations that are parallel, how many solutions does that system have?
0.
No solution, because they don't meet at all. Suppose I give you equations like this: x plus y equal to 10, 2x plus 2y equal to 20. What happens to this system?
Infinite solutions.
Huh?
Infinite solutions.
Why? Because when you graph the lines, right? When you graph the lines, both the lines are on the same line. Because when you multiply by 2 the entire equation, you get the second line, basically, right? So both the lines are the same line. So how many points of intersection are there? There are infinite number of intersections, correct, guys? So you have infinite solution. There are three categories. One is only one solution. The other is no solution. The third one is infinite solutions. Any questions here for me? Guys, I'm going to ask you some questions. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. Now, I really want you to learn some theory. Okay, before I move on to anything else, I really want you to learn some theory aspect of it. Okay, let's see. Have they discussed inconsistent, consistent system, guys, at school? Have they discussed consistent, inconsistent system at school?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. See, that's what I wanted to know. But I feel, okay, for you, it's important to know that after, meaning, just know that it's quite important. Okay. How about this? I really wanted to bring this up to you. Okay. Okay. Where is my pen? Okay. Let me go ahead, erase this off. I told you how to graph it. We'll come back to questions where we are going to graph them. Okay. Now, before I move on to solving these algebraically. We discussed how to graph two linear equations. One thing what I want you to know is, what is a linear system? As I said, right, I told you the definition of linear system. What is a linear system? What is a linear system? Yes, anybody can answer. Please let us make it interactive. Tell me, what is a linear system?
It's the intersection of two lines.
When you're given two linear equations to solve, two or more linear equations is called a linear system. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Now, the linear systems can be consistent or inconsistent. I told you it's theory. Can be consistent or inconsistent. What do you mean by this consistent or inconsistent? Consistent means they have at least one solution. Consistent means they have at least one solution. You should know this, guys. At least one solution. For your benchmark, you should know this. Inconsistent means no solution. Suppose if you're given two linear equation, the system is inconsistent when they don't have a solution. Then how will the lines be in this case? If they don't have a solution, how will the lines be?
Parallel.
They'll be parallel.
Parallel. Lines will be parallel. Good job. And if you solve algebraically, right? Algebraically, if you solve, you will end up with a false statement. You will end up like 0 is equal to 5. 9 is equal to 10 or something like that you will end up with. Then you say it's a false statement. The system does not have a solution. Consistent solutions, see, this makes it a little more confusing. Consistent solutions are two different types. One is dependent. The other is independent. Dependent systems have more than one solution. How can the lines be on this? Will have more than one solution means how can the lines be? This has exactly one solution. So how will the lines be for these two? Tell me. This you said the lines are parallel. For these two?
For independent, it would be like the same line.
For
no.
independent,
Oh, sorry. For dependent, it
for
could be.
dependent, it will be the same line equation because infinitely many solution. For dependent, it will be just two lines that intersect at a point. Independent. Makes sense, guys? So, a linear system is divided into two types, consistent and inconsistent. Inconsistent system, right? You again have dependent and independent. Okay, dependent means infinitely many solution. Independent means exactly one solution. Inconsistent systems are the parallel lines that have no solution. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay, now guys, I'm going to give you a problem. I'll ask you to graph it, solve it, and let me know what type of system is it. Make sense? Let's see. Okay. Okay, how about this? No. Okay, how about this? Let's see. Yeah. How about this, guys? I don't want elimination. I want a nice. 1 second, guys. I'm on the 6, 6. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. I just want you to graph, right? Easy ones. Let's do this, guys. I just want the solution to this linear system. Okay, I'm going to give you, please, I really want you to graph and show me the graphs. Graph and categorize the system. Graph and categorize what system it is. What type of linear system. Categorize what type of linear system this is. That's all. With this one problem, I'll move on to substitution and elimination. Come on, guys. Let me know if you need help. Ashwath, did you get what we discussed?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Graph this. Huh? Oh.
Miss Priya, can I go sharpen my pencil? Miss Priya,
Sorry, ma, I was muted. I have the answers with me. Lakshmita, I got your answer.
Miss Priya, I have to
Get
leave
your
now.
answer.
Can I leave?
Sure. Yes, your mother messaged me.
Okay, bye.
You get me what is the solution? You can leave, ma. Just see the recording without fail before you come in next class. Avyukt, I want whatever is it. It's parallel or whatever. Ashwath, I really want, if you have an answer, you should send that to me. Then only I can verify, right? Vikyat, that doesn't seem right.
I did.
You did? No. Is there an intersection point? Then send it. Avyukt. Samanvi,
Miss Priya.
please, you as well. If you have a solution, you have to send it. Arush, it's incorrect. Can you solve it on the board, Arush?
Okay.
Avyukt, send the answer, ma. Vikyat, your categorization is correct, but your solution is incorrect.
I'll redo the solution.
Uh,
I'll redo the solution.
Sure.
I'll see what I did wrong.
Yeah, just send the answer to me. You can graph and show. That also helps me a lot. Ashwath, that is not the solution. Solution is the intersection point I told you, right, ma? Solution is the intersection point, Ashwath. Did you draw both the graph?
Yeah.
X plus 3y equal to 8. 3y equal to 8 minus x. Y equal to 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3x. X equal to 0, y equal to 8 by 3. Y equal to 0, x will be equal to 8. So 8 comma 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 comma 0, 0 comma 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is 2 point something. Okay, so this line is like this for me. Okay, the second line is this one. Y will be equal to 2x minus 9. Put x equal to 0. I'm just plugging x equal to 0. Y will be minus 9. So the point is 0 comma minus 9. Put y equal to 0. X will be equal to 9 by 2, 4.5. Right? So the point is 4.5 comma 0. Now, what is for this 4.5 comma 0? Then 0 comma minus 9. 0 comma minus. So point is like this. So this is the meeting point. Now, this line is a consistent system. It has a solution. It has at least one solution. Consistent independent system because it has one intersection point. Ashrita, did you get it? Rushita, did you understand?
Miss Priya, can you expand a little bit more because I don't understand.
What is that you want me to expand, ma? Where is that you're not understanding?
Because I'm not sure how you got that intersection point again.
Oh, you graph it. Graph the two lines.
Oh, okay.
You know how to graph the lines, right?
Yeah.
Graph the two lines, find the intersection point.
Okay.
I'll wait for you.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Priya.
Yeah.
Can I say the answer right now? I don't know if it's the answer though.
Why don't you send it to me in chat?
Yeah, okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
So did you just take like the equations and you change them to slope-intercept form?
Yes,
And
then
you
only you can
just
graph. Correct.
okay, and then you got y and x and you made y 0 and then you found x and then you just plot them.
Yeah, I just found out the x-intercept and y-intercept. You just need 2 points for a line, right, ma?
Mm-hmm.
So I just found out 2 points on each line, marked those points and connected them. I drew the lines now. You got it?
Okay.
So I had a blue line and a red line. Intersection point is this point. Now, J, I want the solution means I want the point of intersection. That's what I mean.
Oh, okay.
So one time you made x 0 and the other time you made y 0 for both of
Yeah,
them?
yeah, correct. Dhruv, good job, Dhruv. Avyukt, correct.
How would you plot
Are-
8 over 3 though?
8
Oh
by
wait,
3.
rise over the run.
Yeah, but 8 by 3 is what? 2.666666. You got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I still don't understand how you get x from the equation, the x-intercept.
Okay, no problem. Where? In which equation? Shall we take this equation?
Miss
Yeah.
Priya?
What is that you didn't get? I substituted x equal to 0. What will happen to y? In this equation, I substituted x equal to 0. What is y?
8 above 3.
That's what I have written.
How do you get the x-intercept though?
Substitute y equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0. What would happen? Can you solve this for x? Can
Yeah.
you solve this equation for x?
Yeah.
What is x? I'll wait. What is x? Akshita, did you get it?
I still don't get it.
What you don't get? Do you know how to solve this equation? Yeah, Illama, I'm just asking whether you know or not. Meaning you're given this equation. Do you know how to solve it?
Can I try it for a second?
Okay, try. If you don't know, let me know. Samanvi, did you understand? Samanvi, did you get it?
Yes.
Rushita, you said you did not get it. Where did you not get the mark?
Miss Priya, I understand now.
Oh, good. Nice. Arush got it. I know. Jay, did you? Where is the solution, Jay?
I didn't put that because I haven't put that yet.
Put it right. Then only I'll know whether you got it or not, right?
Okay.
Vikyat, what is the answer? What is the solution? Resolve and resend.
Okay.
Johan, where is your answer? Please don't make me bug, guys. It's your responsibility to send answers.
Miss Priya, I have to go somewhere.
Yes, you can, ma. Your dad. Oh, okay. You can go.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Ritisha, that seems incorrect. Ritisha, did you graph it?
I don't I'm not able to graph it correctly.
Oh,
It's
see, that
it's
is where
coming
you need.
incorrect.
Yeah, you need the graph paper. Okay, I'll tell you how to graph it. Those of you who don't have the graph paper, you have to bring graph papers from next week. Okay, it is important to have it ready anytime. Okay, when you're studying algebra 1. Now, let me go ahead and show you. This is going to go. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to graph two lines in this in TI-84. Do you all have a TI-84 calculator, right, guys?
Oh,
No.
I don't have
I
a
don't have one.
TI-84. I have a TI-30X.
Guys, I already talked about this earlier, right? You should all have calculators. Avyuk, did I say about it earlier? I gave you the type of calculator, right?
Yeah.
So, my expectation is each of you have a TI-84 calculator with you to work on, because I talked about this several weeks back, and I also asked each of you to go talk to your parents. Okay, now I'm going to show you in a TI-84 calculator what are the two equations and how to graph them. This is so important, guys. This lays the foundation for algebra 2. Okay. If you say I don't have a TI-84 calculator, I don't know how to answer. Okay. So, because you don't know how important it is now. It is so important to have that calculator middle with it. X plus 3y equal to 8. X plus 3y equal to 8. I'm not forcing you, but at the same time, it is so important to have it. That's all I can say. What else I don't know how to say. 2x minus 9 equal to y. 2x minus 9 equal to y. So here in a calculator, if you want to type, you should always put it in the y equal to form. Y equal to form in the sense x minus 8 by 3 equal to y, right? So how will I write it? 1 by 3x, I'm dividing each by 3. 1 by 3x minus 3 by 8 equal to y. This is one equation. The second equation is y equal to 2x minus 9. Always y equal to format is what is acceptable. Once you have that, right, go to y equal to. Okay, see the first one. First graph appears in blue, second graph appears in red. I'm going to type this in. You have to be very careful with all the parentheses. It is y1. So the first equation is y1 is there. Okay, 1 by 3x minus 3 by 8, 1 by 3x minus 3 by 8. 1 by 3x minus 3 by 8. Any questions, guys?
What button did you press to get the X?
This is the X button. This is the X button.
Okay.
Make sense? Now the second one, go up. Oh, I want to type the second equation, 2x minus 9. Okay, now go to graph. It drew both the lines, right, guys? Yes, Avyukt, what is your question?
Did you get X? How did you type in X?
That's what I said. This is the button I'm saying. Please ask whatever questions you have. I understand you're doing it for the first time. This is the button. You got it?
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah. Any other questions? Please, when you type in, you have to make sure. See, the worst part here is the typing of this. See, parenthesis should be properly maintained. If you make a mess with it, everything will go a mess. Okay. Now, when you graph it, you have the graph. How to find the intersection? You know what? You can center this. I don't like to see like this. I want to see big ones. So I go to window, X minimum. See guys, in my graph, please understand all this. Okay, I don't know if the school is going to teach you or not, but you have to know. This is the foundation for your algebra 2. So here, this is your X minimum. This is your X axis maximum. Okay, XSCL is the interval. This interval is XSCL. Each interval length is SCL. And then this is Y max. This is Y min. YSCL is the interval. You got it? Any questions here? Any questions?
No.
This, unless you do it by yourself and see this, you're not going to get this. You're going to absolutely forget everything what I say now. Go home, practice. If you don't have a TI-84, use TIC, use this website. Now, in the window, I'll go, I don't want the X left side. So I don't need to find, X minimum can be -3. That's enough. X max can be, oh my God, what did I do, guys? I know what I did. Okay, one, I have to quit and go. Okay. Then I go to graph again. Then I go to window. See, the minus is this minus, guys, -3. See, that minus I should have used. Instead, I used the subtraction minus. So it turned out. Okay. Then X max can be, let's say, 20 maybe. Yeah. And then XCL can be 0.5. Okay. And then Y minimum, maybe minus, can I have it as -5? Y max can be 10. Okay. And then YSCL can also be 0.5 so that it's all spaced out nice and clean. See, it's not still nicely spaced out. Now, the intersection point, how to find the intersection point? I also don't know. Let's find out. To find the intersection point, can I go to calc? Calc, see? Second, the blue color things work with the second button. You have to press the second button and go to calc. Okay, the top second from the right. Then go down. See, intersect. Is it pointing to the intersect? No, it is just saying first curve. Press enter, second curve. Press enter. Guess, press enter. Intersection is 5.175. Y is 1.35. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
That's it. This is how you find it. So easy, right? But you have to know how to do it algebraically. You have to graph, okay, manually. Any questions here? Any questions? Yes, Abhyuk, what is your question?
How do you get it to say the intersection point?
That's what I'm saying. Go to second calc.
Second
Find out.
count?
Press
Was
number
it?
5 button. First curve, it is asking first curve question mark enter. Second curve question mark enter. Guess question mark enter. Then it gives you the intersection. Make sense?
I'm confused.
You have to do and see, ma, in parallel. Do you have the calculator with you?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead one by one. Did you go to second calc?
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it now.
Only when you do it in parallel with me, you will really get it. If you don't have the calculator, do it in ti84calc.com in parallel with me. That's the best way to learn. Otherwise, you will forget everything what we are discussing now. Can I move on? Okay, somebody covered graphing in school. Who covered graphing in school, Emma? Ritisha covered, right? You wrote a test, right, Emma?
Yeah, we did.
Have you done it using the calculator yet?
No, we had the test on transformation equations and parallel, perpendicular, and scatter
never
plots
mind.
and stuff. But we're learning. We just covered substitution and graphing. We still haven't covered elimination, and we didn't learn how to do it on the normal calculator. But like we learned how to put lines and decimals, but not systems of equations.
Oh, okay, good. Did you guys get it? Now, the same equation. Nobody is going to give me a calculator. Nobody is going to give me graphing calculator or anything. Okay. So I am at a point where I have to solve it algebraically. Let's say I have to solve this algebraically. So how am I going to solve this algebraically? Meaning you can graph it and find your solution. Solution is, as I said, is the intersection point. Now, let me stop this, go back. Applications. Okay. Let me share this screen, guys. If you're not understanding, please ask. That's my request. I'm not able to write on the board. I'm checking. Okay. I hope I'm able to. I don't know what is going on. Okay, that does not matter. Okay. Now, if you're having x plus 3y, now how to solve this algebraically? One thing is, from the first equation, I can find out what x is. X will be equal to 8 minus 3y. Are you all with me? Can I write it like this? Now, to the second equation, wherever I see the x, right, I will make a substitution. What I am doing is substitute x in the second equation. Are you all with me or not? This is the easiest way of doing it algebraically. Substitute x in the second equation. 2 times 8 minus 3y. Then wherever I see x, I am substituting 8 minus 3y. Minus 9 equal to y. Any questions here, guys? 16 distributive property. Minus 6y minus 9 will be equal to y. How do I work this? 16 minus 9 is 7. Will be equal to 7y. What is y? Y will be equal to 1. Get it? Now, plug that 1 into this equation. Y will be equal to 1. When you plug that into that equation, you get x will be equal to 8 minus 3 times 1. So, x will be equal to 5. Did you guys get it? Rushita, are you with me, ma?
So when you subtracted 16 from 9, you got 7, but where does the negative 6y go?
Come again, ma? Sorry. One more time.
So in the second step, when you did 16 minus 6y minus 9 equals y, you subtracted 9 from 16, you got 7, but where does the negative 6y go?
Plus 6y on both sides.
Oh, okay.
You got it? Maybe I missed it.
So wouldn't be 6y, why is it 7y?
Because when you add 6y to both sides, this will get cancelled and these two get added, making
Oh,
it 7y.
okay. Oh, I understand. Okay, all right, yeah.
Anybody else? Any other questions? This is
So-
solve. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. So you just substituted x in the second equation and you just did like you used the second equation like the first equation? Like I just got confused how you got the equation.
The intent is use the first equation to find out one of the variables. It can be x, it can be y. But here finding y is hard. You'll get fractions, right? But finding x is easy. You see? So I chose to find x. Got it?
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, I chose to find x. After finding x, what did I do? I found
Oh,
x and put it
okay.
into the second equation. You got it? You know why I am doing this? I can always...
Oh, you put it like this. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, because see, to solve any one unknown variable, you need one equation.
Mm,
Here you have two unknowns. You cannot solve. You got it?
yeah.
X and Y are two unknowns. Both are present in the same equation. So what I do is, from the first equation, I say, hey, I know X. Wherever I see X, I'll substitute 8 minus 3Y, I'll say. So in the second equation, I bring that and plug it into any X that I find.
Oh, you got x is equal to 8 minus 3y from the first equation?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I plug that into the second equation.
Okay, that makes sense.
That is substitution. See, linear equations can be solved in three different ways. One is graphing. Okay? Graphing with your hand in a graph paper. Or graphing using TA84 calculator. Please don't use Desmos. Okay? You are never going to be fast for SAT exams. Please don't use Desmos, okay? Desmos, yes, it's easier just because if you don't have the calculator, you feel like using Desmos because then you find it very tough to handle a TA84. Right from the start, yes, once you get the hang of it, you will be a master. So please use TA84 calculator. I really want your good. I really want each of you to do well in your SATs. Be fast in your SATs. There has to be a difference. Auntie said that day I did it. That's what I want you to say. So please meddle with your calculator, understand how to type these, and you know SAT exam has has made all sections you can use calculators. I am not a proponent of calculator usage, okay? But because your system is like that, you'll be fast once you get used to it. Now, let's go ahead and try one more. I want you to solve this using substitution, okay? How about this? Or else, if you don't solve, I'll solve. This one is hard for substitution. I don't want it. This one is easy for substitution. Do this one, guys. Solve the system of equation. Okay, if you have a solution, send the solution. If you don't have a solution, send me the type of solution. Please get me the solution. Also, type of system. Please, type of system means consistent, independent, dependent, type of system. Type of linear system you have to tell me. You have to clearly tell me whether it is dependent, consistent, what it is. Can we try? Or
Oh,
you, if you want me
Miss-
to try, send a message, please. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, you know, like first you gave us two equations and you told us to graph and categorize, right?
Correct.
How did you like how do you categorize whether it's consistent or inconsistent?
I went over it in detail.
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. Wait, that was my question. My bad. I forgot.
No problem at all. You asking is itself great. I'm happy that you asked. Do you have the notes with you?
Yeah, it's just I wrote that at the top of my page, like when we were doing the first equation, and then I looked at it now and I realized.
Okay, so linear system can be consistent or inconsistent. This is a part of the benchmark. You have to know all this, okay? Because just by solving is not enough. Because when they ask you what type of system is it, you should be able to say for me. Okay, consistent can be dependent or independent. Dependent or independent. Why? Dependent means many solutions. Independent means
Only
one
one
solution.
solution.
This is no solution. Not a big deal. Not a hard one. Try, guys.
Oh yeah, inconsistent was the one about parallel lines, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Independent is when you have an intersection. Samanvi, would you be able to do? Are you thinking like, what is this? It's so confusing. Is that what it is?
Miss Priya.
I can see it. What is your confusion? Please share with me. I'll help you.
I got the consistent and inconsistent part, but I'm gonna have to solve it.
No, are you thinking it's hard? Oh, then okay, that's what I was thinking. You are thinking that it is very hard. How can I help you? I asked you. Prince, do you know how to solve it?
The equation on the board.
Yeah, substitution, using substitution. Do you know how to solve this?
Yes.
Okay, then solve, send me the answer. Use substitution. Okay,
Okay.
literally you can say, hey, y will be equal to x minus 5. So instead of this y is in the second equation, substitute for y whatever you get. Then you can solve for x. Dhruv, am I with you? Arush, am I with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Prisha, you're able to follow, ma?
Yeah, but I was kind of confused, like, about my answer. Would it have been, like, would x have been negative? Because, like, I got a negative number, so I turned it positive.
For which one, ma?
For, like, the, top equation.
Okay, so what did you get?
I got x equals -2, so I turned it into +2.
X equal to?
Yeah, because I got -3 for y, like using, like, solving it, and then I plugged in the y, and then I got -2. Was that not right?
How did you substitute? Can you tell me how you substituted?
So I changed it from like negative. So I added x back on to like to 5. So I made it -5 plus.
You added x back onto 5. So what happens?
Oh wait, sorry, no, I subtracted y and then I negated everything. So it'd be 5
No,
plus.
please, let's go step by step. Let everybody follow. You subtracted y on both sides. So what happened?
So wait, can I read? It helps me if I reread it.
Okay.
But y equals -5, and then I subtracted y on both sides.
Okay.
So it would be -x equals -5 minus y.
Okay.
And then I multiplied each side by -1.
Okay.
Yeah, so then it would be 5 plus y equals x.
Mm.
And then I did 2, 5 plus y
What is that?
minus
What is
oh,
it? What did you do?
2,
Oh, you went to the second equation. Okay,
2,
okay.
yeah, sorry, that was my
2x
fault.
minus 5y equal to 1. That's okay, ma.
Yeah, and then 2 in parentheses,
5
5
plus y
plus y,
minus.
and then minus 5y
10
equals
plus
1.
2y minus 5y equal to 1.
Yeah, so it would be 10 plus
10
2.
minus 3y equal to 1.
Yeah, and then when you like subtract 10, then you get
Uh-huh.
-9. Then
Uh-huh.
-9 divided by -3
Uh,
would be 3.
y equal to 3.
Oh,
Substitute that
okay.
here.
I think that's where I messed up. I think I got +9. I don't know why I did
That's
that.
because these two negatives you might have missed one.
Yeah, I think I missed the like -9 and I added it wrong. So
Good.
that's why.
So x equal to 8, y equal to 3. How do you know whether you're right? You don't have to ask me at all. You know, if I were
Right.
you taking algebra, I'll make sure my answer is right.
Plug it
How
in
to-
back into the equation.
Yes, put it back into the equation. Instead of x, substitute 8. So if you substitute, see what I'm getting in both the equation. I want to test it and make sure. That's the best way. You have to learn that. 8 and then y is 3. See, this is a -5. I got it. Second one, x is 8. That gets you 16 minus 5 times y is 3. 16 minus 15 is 1. Hey, that's also right.
Yeah, thank you.
Got it? This is how you check it.
Yeah, I was just confused because I didn't like understand where I messed up. So it was like,
Oh, now you got it? Good.
yeah, I got it.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I get it, but I'm just confused on how like you moved from the first equation to the second equation and
You
just did it.
just say x or y equal to, you can just say, see, from here, she said x equal to 5 plus y. You can say y equal to x minus y. Anything is okay.
Uh-huh.
You can either say x equal to 5 plus y. In that case, wherever you see the x, you are going to plug that 5 plus y. You got it?
Okay.
Suppose if you say y equal to x minus 5, wherever you see y, you are going to plug in x minus 5.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You got it?
Mhm.
Both will get you the same answer. Jay, did you follow?
Yeah.
Prince, did you follow?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, now guys, I really want everybody to send this answer for this one by substitution. Guys, please be careful with the signs. Prisha, did you already answer the question?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Jay, I really want to see your answer for this one. Ashwath, did you understand how to solve it now?
A little bit.
A little bit. That's fine. I'll help you. Wait. Oh, wow. Avyukt, correct, Avyukt. Good job. You got it. Can I say that? Nice. Okay, Ashwath, I'll help you. Please go ahead. Yes, Prince, you got it. Nice. Avyukt, have they covered linear systems in school?
No, right now we're doing transformations.
Or okay. I'll try to see. I wanted to finish elimination as well, but I think it's too much for you guys, right? Just because I know I'm thinking I can cover, I can cover, I can cover. But you guys need time, I feel. Graphing and substitution, you do this week. Okay. Try to meddle with the calculator. Understand. Next week, I'll show you elimination. So that way, I'm not pressurizing you as well.
Miss
I thought I'd
Priya,
complete all the three today. Yes, ma. Prisha,
is
correct.
my answer right? Can you check?
I'll check, ma. I'm going one by one. Prisha, correct, ma.
Miss Priya, I have a class. Can I leave?
Yes, you can, ma. Ashwath.
Thank you.
Vidya,
Bye.
correct, ma. Bye, ma. Ritisha, correct, ma. Samanvi, correct.
Miss
Ar-
Priya's mine correct.
Aruk, I'm so happy to see your answers. Very frankly.
Okay, bye. Thank you, Miss
Wait, you
Priya.
have to wait one more. Let me do and then let you go, please.
Oh, my bad.
You want to go, but if you want to go, you go. No problem. Dhuru.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, Dhuru, what is that you don't know, Dhuru?
Like I just didn't know how to like can you help me with the substitution
Yeah,
again?
absolutely. Please tell me where are you stuck?
Miss Priya, I'm confused as well.
Yeah, then please tell me where you guys are getting stuck. If you can proudly tell me, I'll help you. I'm saying, go ahead.
So basically I can do the elimination, but I wanted to try
Substitution.
substitution, yeah.
Oh, so you can eliminate easily, yeah?
Yeah.
See, substitution. Okay. Jay, can you help me with the first one? Meaning, I'll go over with you. Where are you getting
Okay,
confused? Let me see.
okay, first, convert the slope intercept form, so negative x on both sides.
Okay.
Then y equals 3 minus x.
Y will be equal to 3 minus x.
No, I mean equals to 3 minus x.
Illema. See, that itself seems wrong, right? Okay, let's see. What did you do? What is the first, what is that you did?
Minus x on both sides.
Minus x on both sides, then what would happen? This would become 0. This would become y minus x plus 3.
Oh, I forgot about that.
No
Wait, didn't
problem.
they already give us the x separately for that equation?
I also agree with Ashrita. What do you think, Jay? Because they've already given one variable equal to something, right? You don't have to
Yeah.
convert to slope intercept form. It is just that you need one variable and the other variable on the other side. That's all.
Okay.
You get it? So already it's nice and clean. So I can go plug in. Wherever I see x, I'll plug in y plus 3. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So let me write the second equation. 4 will be equal to 3 times what I'll plug in? Y plus 3 minus 2y. Make sense?
Okay.
Do you know how to
So 3y and then plus
Yeah.
6.
plus 6 lemma 9?
Oh yeah, plus 9. Forgot.
9 minus 2y. So 3y minus y is y plus 9 equal to 4. So y will be equal to 5. Y will be equal to, let me do it for you. Minus 9 minus 9. Y will be equal to minus 5. Make sense?
Okay, yeah.
Now plug this back in. Did you get it, Jay, now? Now plug this
So
back into this. X will be equal to?
minus 5 plus 3.
Yep.
Oh, -2, yeah.
Yep. Lakshmita, neither I got your answers. Did you send any answer, Lakshmita?
Sorry, Miss Priya, I just didn't understand.
Huh?
I just didn't understand.
I cannot take it at all, ma, unless you're on the video. Okay, so this is my problem in switching it off. Let me be very blunt with you. Okay, go ahead, guys. What next? Rushita. Correct, ma. Anybody else? Any other questions?
Miss Priya.
No.
Yeah.
I got, for my final answers, I got x is equal to 1 and y is
I
equal to
saw that
-2.
lady. I saw that. Where did you make the mistake? I've done it on the board. See?
I don't know where I did. Let me
Yeah,
check.
go check. Check and tell me. You help me. Find out where is the mistake. I'm prepared to work with you. Johan, did you get it, Johan?
Yeah, I understand it now.
Yeah. So if you understand it, it's good, but homework will be on this. My only thing is you have to graph and show. I really need to see your graphs on the graph paper or whatever paper. If you don't have graph paper, if you don't have index card, go to the internet, print out the graph paper. Graph paper print, give. There will be graph papers that come up. You can print and do it on that. Okay. Any questions for me?
Miss Priya, can you just keep it on the board for a second?
Yeah, I can work with you. If whoever is stuck, you can wait. Others can log off. I don't want everybody to wait, right?
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Priya.
guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
If you have questions, you wait
Bye.
and solve and go. Bye, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
this is what I did. Can you tell me what I did wrong? Can I tell you what I did?
Sure.
Okay, so first I just left x is equal to y plus 3.
Okay.
And then I did 3x minus 2y is equal to 4.
Okay.
And then I did 3 parentheses 2 plus y parentheses
2 plus
minus.
y, yeah. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
What you should substitute? X is what?
Oh,
Yeah.
we were supposed to substitute that y plus. Oh,
One you're going to use in the other. Make sense?
yeah, it makes sense.
No worries.
Okay, so it makes sense now because x is the equation from the first one.
Correct.
Yeah, it
Got
makes
it?
sense now.
Okay. Good job.
Okay.
I'm glad you got it. Vikyat, did you get it? Okay, he's gone. Jay,
Wait,
Bye,
did you-
Miss Priya, is it the TI 84 plus?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, please get used to it, Jay. Sit with dad, sit with mom. Whatever help you need, you come and ask, I'll help you.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Otherwise, buy the calculator. You need it, guys.
I understand, Miss Priya.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Oh,
Bye.
also, we just had our we just started learning about parallel and perpendicular lines.
Is it easy?
It's really easy.
That's nice.
I
to
was
know.
like the only person